In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to buy packs in The Sims 4. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you simple to follow instructions on how to find and purchase any expansion packs available for The Sims 4. This is going to work if you own the game on Steam, through Epic Games, or even the EA Store. So all that you have to do is open The Sims 4 on any platform, and from the home screen, before you actually resume your game, just go over to packs. So if you look at the top left corner of the screen, you are able to switch over to the packs category. And in here, you can browse through all the expansion packs, game packs, stuff packs, and so on. There is a lot to explore, and I recommend that you take your time to carefully browse through all of these. At the bottom, you might also be able to find some free stuff. As you can see, there are currently 2 free packs. This guitar and then the holiday celebration pack. Now, if you want to acquire packs that you don't already own, just go ahead and click view on any of them. You will then be able to see everything that is included, so on Create a Sim and afterwards on Build Mode, and all that you have to do to purchase it is to click the option to buy now. Like I said, the process is going to be the same for Steam, Epic Games, and also through the EA Store. However, you will be redirected accordingly. So because I am playing The Sims 4 through Steam, it redirects me to the Steam Store page for the expansion, and it automatically adds it to my cart, and I can repeat this process as many times as you wish. So when I go over to my cart, I'll be able to finish making this purchase and download the expansion pack. You might have to restart the game, and after you do, you will see all of the new content available both in Build Mode and Create a Sim. And like I said, all that you have to do is click View and then browse through all of the items that are made available upon acquiring this pack. Click Buy Now and you will be able to buy this and install everything into The Sims 4. I hope I was able to help you on how to buy packs in The Sims 4. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.